I got a fillable beer jacket, a bunch of resin, and absolutely no chill. Let's go. Okay, so I have been seeing this fillable beer jacket situation all over my feed. People have been filling it with obviously beer, milkshake, and all sorts of cute drinks. You know what my next sentence is going to be. I'm going to be filling it with the resin. Why? And I know, before you guys come at me in the comments, I already know how unhinged and mind-numbingly stupid this is, but I'm going to do it anyway. So brace yourselves. We are filling a clothing item with the resin. Let's do it. Okay, so I ordered it and I had to get it on eBay. Why is this white? Why is this white? Okay, every time I've seen it, it's supposed to be transparent, like clear, so you can kind of see the liquid inside. So low-key, I don't get it. Also, it is massive. Why is it white? Unless that's the lining. Maybe that's the lining, and where you fill it is clear. But how do, oh, okay, so let's see. Let's open this. Okay, yeah, okay. So the white that you see is the lining, and when you pull it away, that portion is still kind of clear. I mean, it's not as clear as I thought it was going to be, which is annoying. Because I want, obviously, if I'm going to fill it with resin, I want it to be seen. Like, I want the colors to be seen. They still might be. I don't know. Guys, this was so weird to begin with, and it's just going to get weirder. Let's try it on. I know it's massive, it's XL, but this is literally the only size I could find. After this stuff has been online, it's just everywhere, and it was so hard to get hold of it. Okay, let's put it on. Okay, that looks hideous to say the least. And I don't think it's going to get any better from here on. So after I unboxed the jacket, I also had another unboxing, and this one was for Skye. It is his very first Happy Meal. So I set up this Amazon wish list for him because you guys are always sending him virtual treats, and now he can actually get IRL treats and toys. And thank you so much, Key Energy, for sending these treats for him. He is absolutely over the moon. Like, it's the best day ever. So thank you so much. And while he enjoys his treat, he would also like you guys to like, comment, and sub, because we do crazy things on here and we need all the support that we can get. Okay, I think I'm prepped. I put some plastic down because I am so nervous. So nervous. What if this thing has holes and I have resin dripping all over? It just hurts to even say this. So I have plastic down. I think I am prepped. And next, I need to mix some resin. Yikes. Okay, so now that everything's set up, I have been thinking about what I want to do. I feel like I want to do like a sunset ocean moment. So I want to do like purple, hot pink, orange, coral. Like almost like a sunset gradient. And I think it's going to look gorgeous. But then again, I don't know how this works. Like, I don't know if the resin, I can only assume that obviously when I pour the resin through the back, it's gonna all go down at the bottom first, and then hopefully the other colors on top. And again, I don't know. So I can see some sort of like divisions here, but I don't know if they're like proper channels. Like, are they gonna divide my colors? Or are those just like, I don't know. I guess we're not gonna know how things are flowing until a liquid actually gets in there. So I guess it's time to mix some resin. I am so nervous. Okay, but we have a plan. Purple, we are mixing purple. I'm gonna do deep pour just because, again, the sheer volume of resin, we don't want any flash curing situation. And what if like it gets really hot and melts the plastic? Oh my God, that sounds like a nightmare. So we're just gonna go with deep pour and hope for the best. So the resin that I'm using is Jade Diction Officials, who are also the kind sponsors of today's video and my sort of long-term sponsors. I love their resin. I'm actually using a deep pour, as I mentioned, just because I feel like this jacket is going to take up a massive volume of resin and I don't want any flash curing. At least I think I don't want any flash curing. So when in doubt, use deep pour is my motto. I've mixed up my purple. I am loving the vibes. Once again, it is nerve-wracking, but I guess now the last thing left to do is actually pour this in. Now I started to pour it in, but it wasn't going in quite as quickly, so that was not going as per plan. But then I figured that there was a cap situation that I had to open, because it was like a strainer situation, if you will. It's hard to explain. There was a thing that I had to open and then I didn't realize that, and then I've got it open now. So now I can actually pour this, and this feels wrong on so many levels, like so many levels. And while I'm doing this, I'm thinking about how this is going to turn out. Like if it's something that I could, have resin inside cured, or if I could actually peel off the plastic and then have literally just a resin jacket. I don't know, guys. I honestly do not know what I'm doing here. So like I said, please don't come at me in the comments, because I realize the insanity of this project. I mean, it's wild even by my standards. So it is slowly going in. It is taking a while. So I'm just trying to sort of push it along and nudge it along, because I do want the purple to be at the bottom, because in my brain we're going to build the colors. So I need to kind of have this layer go all the way to the bottom. So I'm just like trying to scrunch it and push it and guide it all the way down. It is taking a while. It is taking a very long time. And then comes the moment where this happens. What if this thing has holes and I have resin dripping all over? No, 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 no. It's leaking. Oh my God, this stupid thing is leaking. Look, it's leaking from here. I think it's safe to say we need to abort. Abort, abort, abort.
Abort! Abort!
Okay, wait. No, it's not leaking. Oh my God, this is the opening. Okay, so how do I close this? Oh, I should have thought this through. What do we do? Is there any way of closing this? Oh no, wait, but it is still leaking from the bottom. I don't know anymore. This is a mess. Think, Jessica, think. So I could figure out how to close this. Maybe like silicone or hot glue or something in the meantime, like shove something in to close this. However, I think I'm only just realizing how bad of an idea this is.
Really?
So do I want to continue, or do we just learn an early lesson and stop? What do I do? So after my leakage situation, there were just like a bazillion moments of me just standing there and thinking. And I'm looking back at this footage and I look absolutely ridiculous. But this is my thinking brain. Like this is me thinking here and here and here, and just a whole lot of thinking, even though we all know where this is going. Okay, I think I'm going to shut it down. I think we are shutting it down. We're going to cut our losses and we're going to shut it down. Got resin on my thingy. So that happened. Apparently, beer jackets have a drinking hole in them. Duh. Consider this as my PSA to you. If you're going to fill anything with resin, check for holes. Just saying. You're welcome.
Oh, wow, thank you.
Do I regret it? Absolutely not. Will I be possibly doing it again with the more information that I have now? I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Today is not that day. That being said, today is a day where we filled resin in a beer jacket and we learned some lessons. I hope you've enjoyed this, whatever this was, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye. If you've enjoyed this video, YouTube thinks you will like these too, so go check them out.